This is the final system we are building in this series. Not a fake chatbot, not a prompt demo, a real rack system with PostgreSQL, pgvector, long chain, long graph, evaluation, sources, and production structure. In this series, I'll show you how we built it step by step. In the previous video, we made the database searchable by meaning, we created embeddings, stored them in pgvector, and retrieved similar chunks. But the system was still not realistic. The chunks were manually written. Today, we turn this into a real retrieval engine. We'll build a real retrieval engine for RAG. Manual chunks are useful for learning, but in the real system, you do not want to manually copy pieces of text into Python lists. You want to point the system to a folder of documents, load them, split them, embed them, store them, and retrieve from them. This is the retrieval engine. Now we ask a completely different type of question. The system should move away from refound policy and retrieve the Kubernetes runbook. This is why adding multiple documents matters. The retriever now has to choose between different knowledge areas. Okay, so we get the same structure of response after that. At this point, we have a real retrieval engine. We can load documents, chunk them, embed them, store them, retrieve relevant chunks, and build context. I'll see you in the next.